Hey guys, I'm Smart He Is. I hope everyone is doing well. This is a quick unboxing video of the GoPro Hero 10. I'm gonna start off with a 360 view of the box. Made of very nice material. Everything is packaged nicely. I do have the tab open on this box. I originally did an unbox video using a bad camera. Quality wasn't too good, so I decided to redo it on my Galaxy S21 Ultra and do a voiceover for you guys. So if you want to see that video, it's going to be at the end of this video. The GoPro Hero 10 comes in this nice carrying pouch. We get a USB-C cable. It's 1 foot long. We get a thumb screw for the mount. We got a 1720 milliamp battery. We got the camera, which comes in at 153 grams. So the Hero 10, just like the Hero 9, is waterproof up to 33 feet. The difference is we got a GP2 processor in the Hero 10 and 23 megapixels. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. We got our USB-C port, our 1720 milliamp hour battery. You pop it in, make sure it's nice and tight. That's where we get our waterproofing from. We're gonna power up. It started up this time, but I was having an issue earlier where I forgot to put the SD card in. But yes, the camera is touchscreen. We got a 2.7-inch screen. Has GPS, has Wi-Fi. The resolutions it has a 5.3K at 60 frames per second. Also does 4K at 120 frames per second. And we also got 2.7K at 240 frames per second, which is awesome, especially for the size and portability of this camera. And these next couple of minutes, I'm just messing with the camera. I was trying to scroll through, and show you guys some of the features. I do have fat fingers, so it was a little bit harder for me. Some of the features include they have a super photo mode, they have HDR mode, standard mode, and raw mode for the pictures. But yeah, that's it guys. This isn't really a review video or in-depth video. If you guys want one of those, please let me know. I left the original video that I didn't like, I posted at the end. It is the original video, the original unboxing. That's where I open up the tab and take out all the plastics and everything. Please comment. Feel free to criticize. I won't get better if you guys don't criticize. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. Thank you guys. Take care. Please like and subscribe. Hey guys, Smart He is here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on the GoPro Hero 10. After shopping at Best Buy for about 2 hours and speaking to an associate, I figured out this was the right camera for me. We'll go ahead and start unboxing it. Here goes the tab. We're going to pop it open. Oh. Not that perfect, but it came out good. So let's see what's in here. Yeah, originally I went in there for the Hero 9, but after speaking to the associate and seeing the specs, I just went ahead and went with the 10. So right off the back, they give you a nice little box. It's nice material, snug. Stuff doesn't really shake around. Ooh, look at this packaging. So some key differences that you should notice right away. The Hero 9 doesn't have a blue GoPro label. God, they did a good job. So weight on this is 153 grams versus the Hero 9, which has 158 grams. Very nice. In the box you get your camera, get your charger, get your battery, you get a mount. Not sure what this is. I'll have to look into that. Some papers, nobody really reads these, but since I'm new to GoPro, let's take a look. Alright guys, so I figured out what the base was for. You open up the attachment plugs. You're going to take this first part. Goes right in between, and these are the included attachments that it came with. Usually they're about 50 bucks per attachment. But you go ahead, you screw this in. You're able to adjust before it screws in all the way. Once it screws in all the way, it won't move. Take the base. Semi-permanent, I would say. You stick it wherever you want, maybe a dash, maybe your desk, not sure. But you put it down, and then it pops in and it clicks in. This isn't really an in-depth video, but I'll post more videos in the future with it. Obviously my camera quality is not good now, so I needed to upgrade. I'm moving over from a webcam, which I was using when I was streaming. But I wanted to make a lot more unboxing videos due to all the random merchandise I purchased, and I'm sure you guys will find some of it interesting. It is 23 megapixels. It has a GP2 processor, and a Hyper Smooth 4.0 is the stabilization. I can't get any better unless you guys tell me what I'm doing wrong, so please comment, please like, subscribe, and I'll get more videos like this. Or better, obviously. Thank you.